How to turn on default message timer on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on default message timer on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and here you will see this one, settings. After you click on it, click settings and then click account, this one, and here you will find privacy in the top. And now just scroll down until you find this one here, default message timer. Just click on it and here you can manage it. You can click on anything you want here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.